Hello all, once again welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to make beautiful fancy hairband using these materials like pearl as a basic material. So for this we are using small size pearl, and we'll be getting like this kind of metal hairbands. So I'm using glue 7000 here initially to make that stand like a copper wire to secure neatly on this hairband. We will be using the hard glue, and after placing it like this we will wrap it 2 to 3 times so that it will be secured and placed nicely on the surface of the hairband. So once it is done, we'll start taking other end the pearls. So as this hairband is of 2 mm broad inch, so I'm going to take 2 pearls only of this size to secure it on this place. So once you keep these pearls on the surface of the hairband, we are going to twist this copper wire very tightly like this. So usually it will not come in a side by side way. It will come very horizontally or very diagonally, not a horizontally. So like this it will come. The same way we will keep on wrapping these pearls, taking each time 2 pearls and wrapping. Apart from this, another idea is also there. At a time we can take about 6 to 8 pearls like this. But this method I suggest only once you are thorough with placing this pearl nicely on the surface. So like this we can take together pearls, then start placing 2 pearls each time and wrapping all around the hairband. It will reduce your time taking for making the hairband, but it only comes once you are thorough with the practice actually. So like this, see, both the ways we can use to place these pearls like this. So each time when you are taking this copper wire, you have to take it very tightly, then only the pearls will stand very properly on the hairbands. So this is how. Let us complete all the hairband. We usually leave 1 inch portion both the sides, because that portion anyways will go behind the ears, no? That's why. So like this, and we come to the end of this hairband. So leaving 1 inch, we have to secure this string tight to the surface of the hairband. See, once we are done, we'll apply little glue like this and wrap 2 to 3 times on this hairband, and finally cut the extra. And with the help of the tools, we will place it very thoroughly onto the hairband so that it will not prick the user like this. So like this we are done with our first portion of the hairband. Now I am going to make the hairband little more elegant with the help of the stone chain. So this using this stone chain will give us 2 uses. One thing, it will elegate like highlight our look of the hairband with the help of stones. And second, when we are using this, there is like gaps and where the wire is visible. Maybe in the video you are unable to witness it. When you take it into the hands, you can see clearly that copper wire. To cover the copper wire also, this stone chain will be useful. So very less materials, very less time, we can make these kind of hairbands at home only. Hope you all like this video. Do give a trial. We'll meet you with a very beautiful video, upcoming video. Stay tuned.